Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let me start this video off by saying I'm not a financial advisor, just some guy investing on the internet. So I just invested like $1,500 this past week, and let me just show you guys. I bought about $1,500 worth of MGM. So as you can see, it's already doing pretty well for me. I bought in at the average cost of $38.24. Now, for those of you guys who are not aware, MGM is within the gambling industry, and I do believe this industry as a whole is currently undervalued. Again, this is just me looking at it thinking, hey, why aren't more people looking into this? So in addition to me investing more into this industry, I also have a secondary channel where I'm trying to see how much money I can make through this industry. So if you guys would like to check that out, I'll be playing poker and blackjack. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So let me show you guys why I decided to invest in MGM. Okay, so just looking at the stock as a whole, at the moment it's currently priced around $40. So within the last 5 days, it jumped from $38, $39 up to $40. And prior to that, it was priced at around like $37. Looking back a month's worth, in the beginning of the month, it was like $37. So we could see steady increases within this stock, and that in itself was a great reason for me to buy the stock. In addition to MGM is going to be a poker provider for party poker, which is set to launch in PA sometime this year. So currently in Pennsylvania, there's only one online site that you could play poker on, and that's PokerStars. However, MGM, 888 Poker, and another one is joining. The WSOP is going to be joining the PA market. And as of right now, these sites have limitations that you can only play poker with people within your state. And down the line, it looks like there's going to be a whole like US network where anybody in the US could play with other players in any state where it's legalized. So I do believe this industry is going to grow in the future, and I'm going to be investing a decent amount of money moving forward into this industry. So again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm going to do. I'm just letting you know so that you could look out for it in future videos. So just looking at articles from today. So why MGM Resorts jumped 7.9% today. So we have analysts giving the ratings from like $36 is what they were saying now to $50 per share. Another reason is with improved economic outlook due to the stimulus checks, in addition to the vaccine going out. Everywhere is going to open again, so people are going to be going back to the casinos, in addition to people now having the option to utilize these sites on their mobile device. I could definitely see why they decide to increase the price point. So again, it mentions down here the growing number of states where the service is available. In 2020, revenue on BetMGM was $178 million, and in 2021 growth is expected to be well over 100%. So just think about any company with a revenue increasing of 100%, you're going to see its prices increase. I mean, I would assume in a normal market that's what you would see. Another reason I'm going to be betting into this industry is because Penn National Gaming and Caesars is joining the S&P 500. So these two are in the same industry that I was talking about before. I'm just trying to be careful so I don't get like demonetized on YouTube. But they're showcasing their faith that this industry is going to grow within the next couple of years. So that's why I'm going to be investing into this industry. So that is why I decided to buy over $1,000 worth of MGM stock, and I'm going to be looking for other stocks within this industry. I'll be doing breakdowns of stocks as they come along, and why and what other stocks within this industry I think is going to go up. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Do you believe this industry is going to be growing? So feel free to sign up for a WeBull account with the link in the description below. You'll get 2 free stocks after you deposit $100 or more. Thank you guys for watching, and check out the second channel.